Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our EVS online class and we have started with a new chapter, and because today is the last day of this week, so today I am going to complete this chapter. Okay, so children, I hope you all have completed your EVS notebook work which I gave you yesterday and day before yesterday. I hope you all have written it in your notebooks and you have started learning also. And those children who have not done this work in their notebooks, please make sure children that please complete all the work on time and please start getting your copies corrected. Okay, now before starting this video, I would like to tell you that first of all, I have explained you this chapter and I have completed with the book exercise. So I hope your book exercise are also completed. Then I have given you the notebook work in which first part was of A part was of your missing letters, then B part was of your fill in the blanks, and C part was your true false. Okay, and which I gave you yesterday. So I hope you all have completed that work, and those who have not completed, please make sure you complete it today. Now, today we are going to do the fourth and fifth part of this chapter, which is the last part. Fourth part, D part, is the match the following, and the E part is of question answers. Okay, so today we are going to complete all these two topics, and after that our chapter number 15 will be completed. Okay, so from next week we will start with our last chapter, which is chapter number 16, seasons. Okay, so I hope you all will complete your work by Sunday, and from Monday you can come to school and get your copies corrected. Okay, and make sure that you get your copies corrected on time, so that it will be very easy for the teachers also, and it will be very easy for you also to start learn. Okay, now let's get started with our today's video, children, and please make sure that you understand very carefully from these videos, and it will help you a lot during the exams. Okay, now starting with the video, children, watch this video very carefully. So as you all know that today we are going to start with the fourth part, that is the D part, match the following. So again you all know that you have to start the new topic from a new page. So today you will write down today's date, 21/11/2020. Then you will write down the heading of the chapter, lesson number 15, time, and then in the second line you will give the heading part D, match the following. Is that clear? Now children, you all know that in match the following I always give you I always explain you first, and then I always give you an assignment. Okay, make sure that in match the following you all know that there are two columns, column A and column B. In column A we write the words, okay, and in column B we write the words, but they are all jumbled, so we have to match with the correct answers. We have to match side A with their correct answers. Is that clear? So starting with a match the following topic, children, first one is sun rises. Okay, sun rises means sun kahan se nikalta hai subah. So you all know that sun rises in the east and it rises in the morning. So from here you will see which word is suitable for this word, which answer is suitable for this word. Sun rises, either it should be east or morning. We have written here morning, so the correct answer will be sun rises in the morning. So we will match sun rises with morning. Okay, sunrise kab karta hai? Subah, morning mein. Clear? Now coming to the second word, that is midday. Now midday is the time at 12 o'clock, that is noon, दोपहर में. Midday is the time of noon. Okay, so from 12 o'clock we start saying that it is noon. दोपहर start हो जाती है. Is that clear? Now coming to the third sentence, third word, sunset. Now when the sun sets in the evening. Sun rises in the morning and sun sets in the evening. So the correct answer is evening. So we will match the word sunset with evening. Is that clear? Now coming to the fourth word, that is clock. So the correct answer for clock will be time, because clock helps us to watch the time. okay, to tell the correct and accurate time. And if you all want to see the correct time, if you all want to tell the correct time, accurate time, you want to know, then you have to take help from a clock or a watch. So clock will be matched with the word time. Okay, it's the correct answer. Now coming to the fifth word, months. Okay, so months, according to these words, which is the correct word for months? 12. Why? Because there are 12 months in a year. You all know that January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are 12 months of the year. As you know that presently we are in the 11th month, that is the November month, and then the last month, 12th month will be left, and then we will start with a new year. That is 2020 will be 20 will get over and 2021 will start from 1st January. You all know that. So there are 12 months in a year. Okay. Now the last word, sixth word is year. Now एक year में कितने days होते हैं? So the correct answer is 365 and 366 days. 365 or 366 days. So 1 year, you all know that 365 days उस ईयर में होते हैं जब फेब्रुवरी के मंथ में 28 डेज होते हैं. लेकिन अगर फेब्रुवरी के मंथ में 29 डेज है, जिस ईयर में फेब्रुवरी मंथ में 29 डेज हैं, दैट ईयर विल बी हैविंग 366 डेज इन ऑल द ईयर, इन ऑल द होल ईयर. सो दैट ईयर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द लीप ईयर. यू ऑल नो दैट. सो the correct answer for year will be 365 or 366 days. I hope these match the following are very clear to you all children. Once again I am repeating, listen to it carefully. First word, sunrises. Correct answer for sunrises is morning. So sunrise will be matched with morning. Sunrise is in the morning. Clear? Then comes midday. Midday is at noon. So the correct answer is noon. So we will match midday with noon. Sunset is sunsets in the evening. So the correct answer for sunset is evening. We will match sunset with evening. Then comes the fourth word, clock. So the clock, the correct answer for clock is time. So we will match the word clock with time, because we tell the time, we get the accurate time from the clock only. Is that clear? Now coming to the fifth word, months. So there are 12 months in a year. You all know that. So months, word months will be matched with the word 12. Okay. Then coming to the last part, that is year, sixth part, year. So there are 365 to 366 days. So year will be matched with 365 or 366 days. Is that clear? I hope all these match the following are clear to you all. Now coming to the question answers. Now children, coming to the E part, that is the fifth part of this chapter, last part of this chapter, that is question and answers. So the first question for today is, what is midday? Midday किसको कहते हैं? So the answer is, when the sun is high in the sky over our head, it is called midday. जब सन हमारे बिल्कुल सिर के ऊपर होता है, एकदम ऊपर स्काई में होता है, तो इट इज कॉल्ड द टाइम ऑफ मिड डे. ओके. सो व्हेन द सन इज हाई इन द स्काई ओवर आवर हेड, इट इज कॉल्ड मिड डे. एंड मिड डे में हमारी जो शैडो होती है वो भी बहुत छोटी दिखती है. सो दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द टाइम ऑफ सनसेट कॉल्ड? जब सनसेट होता है तो उस टाइम को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सो द आंसर इज, द टाइम ऑफ सनसेट इज कॉल्ड इवनिंग, शाम का टाइम. द टाइम ऑफ सनसेट इज कॉल्ड इवनिंग. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी आवर्स मेक अ डे? वन डे में कितने आवर्स होते हैं, या कितने आवर्स मिलके एक वन डे को बनाते हैं? सो द आंसर इज 24 आवर्स मेक अ डे. 24 आवर्स से एक दिन हमारा बनता है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो द आंसर इज 24 आवर्स मेक अ डे. नाउ कमिंग टू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी मंथ्स आर देयर इन अ ईयर? यू ऑल नो दैट एक ईयर में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? सो देयर आर 12 मंथ्स इन अ ईयर. You all know that January, February, March till December, there are 12 months. So a year consists of 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. Is that clear? I hope these 4 question answers are clear to you all. Before starting with other questions, I would like to dictate all these questions once again, repeat these questions once again, listen to it carefully. First question was, what is midday? Answer is, when the sun is high in the sky over our head, it is called midday. Then second question, what is the time of sunset called? So the answer is, the time of sunset is called evening. Then third question, how many hours make a day? Answer is, 24 hours make a day. Then question number 4, how many months are there in a year? Answer is, there are 12 months in a year. So these are 4 question answers. Now coming to the next question answer, that is the 5th question. So children, your 5th question is, how many days does the month of February has? February के month में कितने days होते हैं? So as you all know that there are two types of days. February has 28 और 29 days. Is that clear? February में 28 और 29 days होते हैं. अब 28 days कब होते हैं? जब February में 28 days होते हैं तब हमारा ईयर कौन सा होता है? 365 डेज का, और तब हमारा एक ईयर नॉर्मल होता है. व्हेन देर आर 29 डेज इन फेब्रुवरी, सो दैट ईयर इज नोन एज लीप ईयर, बिकॉज उसमें 366 डेज हो जाते हैं ईयर में. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू ऑल रिमेंबर दैट फेब्रुवरी हैज़ 28 और 29 डेज. एंड 29 डेज वाला जो फेब्रुवरी आता है वो हर 4 ईयर्स के बाद आता है. 28 डेज वाला फेब्रुवरी जब 3 टाइम्स ख़त्म होगा, देन 4th ईयर जो होगा वो 29 डेज वाला होगा फेब्रुवरी में. इज़ दैट क्लियर? सो लीप ईयर अराइजेज आफ्टर एवरी 4 ईयर्स. सो फेब्रुवरी हैज़ 28 और 29 डेज. क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द 6th क्वेश्चन, नेम द डेज ऑफ द वीक. आपको पता है डेज ऑफ द वीक कितने होते हैं? There are 7 days in a week, you all know that, and the names of those days are Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, then T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday, and then last is S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. So our week starts from Monday and it ends till Sunday. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. These are the 7 days of the week. I hope you all understood it. Now coming to the last 7th question, name the months of the year. As you all know, there are 12 months in a year, and those 12 months are, names of those 12 months are January, January, January. And children, please remember that you will understand the pronunciation of these months through this video. Listen to me very carefully how I am pronouncing the names of these months, because many of you don't pronounce these months clearly, okay, and correctly. You always pronounce them wrong. So it is not January, it is January. Okay, January, January. Then comes your February, February, February. Then comes March, March, March. Then comes April, April, April. Okay, then comes May, May, May. Many of you say May. It is wrong. It is May, May, May. Then comes June, June, June. Then comes July, July, July. Then August, August, August. Then comes September, September, September. Then comes October, October, October. Then comes November, November, November. And the last 12th month comes your December, December, December. So children, I hope you all have understood these questions also. Once again I am repeating, listen to it very carefully. 5th question is, how many days does the month of February has? Answer is, February has 28 or 29 days. Clear? Then the 6th question is, name the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then last question, 7th question, name the months of the year. Last answer is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Is that clear? So I hope all these question answers and match the following are very clear to you all children, and I hope you will all complete your work by today itself. And those who have not completed their previous work also, please complete it by Sunday, and from Monday you can come to school to get your copies corrected. As you all know, your copy correction time is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can come in between this time and you can get your copies corrected. Is that clear? So children, from next week we are going to start with a new chapter, so please by Sunday complete all your work of this chapter. Is that clear? And start learning also. Now with this video children, I will be sending you an assignment, and in that assignment I will type the match the following as well as question answers, all the question answers, and you can write from there. Okay, and start learning also children. Till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.